This is question number 4 from miscellaneous exercise of chapter 13, that is probability. The question is like this. Suppose that 90% of people are right-handed. Okay. So in this case we have to find what is the probability that at most, that is maximum of 6 of a random sample of 10 people are right-handed. Okay. So what we are doing here, we are taking a sample of 10 people. Okay. 10 people are selected one by one. Okay. And we have to find the probability that at most 6 of the random is at most 6 from the random sample of 10 people are to be right-handed. What is its probability? Now to solve this question, first of all, the selection of a random sample of 10 people represents one knowledge trial, where the selection of a person represents a single trial. Okay. So we are in this case considering that the sample of 10% is being taken, and it is being done like this, that we are selecting one person, okay, then another person. So each trial is being made. Now P is the probability of success in a single trial. So when we talk about Bernoulli's trial, so each trial has 2 outcomes. One is of success or of failure. So P represents the probability of success. So success in this case is selecting a right-handed person, and failure would be selecting a person which is left-handed, okay, or not a right-handed person. So this would be equal to probability of selecting a right-handed person. Probability of success in a single trial would be probability of selecting a probability that the person is right-handed, and this would be equal to 90 upon 100 or 9 upon 10. Okay, 90 upon 100 because 90% means 90 upon 100. Okay, and probability, and Q is the probability that the person is not right-handed, would be equal to 1 minus P, or 1 minus 1 upon 10, or 9 upon 10. Okay. Now let X represents the number of persons that are right-handed. So X is representing the number of successes, and X can take the value from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay. Now clearly X has a binomial distribution in N and P, where N would be equal to 10 and P would be equal to 9 upon 10. Okay. Now the probability of X successes is given by this formula, ncx, p to the power of x, q to the power of n minus x, where x can take the value from 0, 1, 2 up to n, and q would be equal to 1 minus p. And clearly we have calculated the value of p, q, and n is equal to 10. Now probability that at most 6 persons are right-handed would mean that probability of x less than equal to 6. Okay. So for this we are required to add the probability of 0 success plus probability of 1 success plus probability of 2 success up to the probability of 6 successes. So to make the calculation simpler, we can write it like this, that this is equal to 1 minus the probability of getting more than 6 successes. Okay, and probability of getting more than 6 successes would be equal to probability of 7 success plus probability of 8 success plus probability of 9 success plus probability of 10 success. So probability of more than 6 successes, which is equal to the sum of all these 4 values, can be written like this: 1 minus summation of 10cx 9 upon 10 to the power of x into 1 upon 10 to the power of 10 minus x, where x can take the value from 7 to 10. Okay, so this would mean that we are calculating the value of this expression when x is equal to 7 to it. We are adding the value of this expression when x is equal to 8. So we would be obtaining all these values. So in short, we can write it like this. Okay, and further this can be simplified as 1 minus the summation of 10cx 0.9 whole to the power of x into 0.1 to the power of 10 minus x when x can take the value from, when x is taking the value from 7 to 10. Okay, so this is my required answer. Okay, and one thing more, this calculation is being done in this manner because of the answer given in the NCERT book. You can write the summation, okay, directly like this, which means that you can write the summation by taking this expression and taking its value from 0 to 6. So this would also be your correct answer. Okay. Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.